1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, good. Write 6. Good job. Oh, this one is this one.
It's easy.
How many? 5?
5 plus 5.
How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, again.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Go.
10. 10.
Here,
10
here.
is there.
Next.
1 plus
Plus
3.
3. Make 3. Yan. Combine.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
4. Move.
Hmm.
4.
Next.
3. 3
3
plus
plus.
1.
Oh, how many? Combine.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hmm?
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 only.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ayan.
4 plus 6.
6. Make 6. This is 5, right? 6, right?
Yeah.
Then you add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many?
Okay.
How many is that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
No.
9.
Again. How many is this?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
Why it's 10?
You
How?
count slowly so you will not get wrong. Game. Next.
3.
3.
3 plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Next.
2.
2 plus
Plus
6. This is 5, right? Oh, you add 1 more. Yan. Oh, go now, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6, 7, 8.
Okay. 8. Next.
Okay, 3
3.
plus 3.
Okay.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Yan.
Okay,
2.
2 plus 6.
Oh, this is 5. You might add 1, so make it 6. So, how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Okay, good job.
More. Bye, guys. Have a great study. And remember, study very hard. Otherwise, patiently, we get you F. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye.